Do you pay your bills online or in person?
Do you know how to talk about electricity, water, phone, and internet bills in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about paying bills.
You'll learn useful English expressions for checking bills, making payments, and talking about due dates.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson is about paying bills.
Let's practice English together. Hi, Paul. Have you paid your bills this month?
Not all of them. I still have a few to pay.
Which bills do you need to pay?
I need to pay my electricity bill and my internet bill.
What about your water bill?
I already paid it yesterday.
That's good.
I don't want to forget the other bills.
Me neither. I usually write the due dates on my calendar.
That's a good idea.
How much is your electricity bill this month?
It's about $80.
That's a little higher than last month.
Yes, we used more electricity this month.
Did you use the air conditioner a lot?
Yes, especially on hot days.
That can make the bill higher.
You're right.
When is the payment due?
It's due on the 15th.
You still have a few days.
Yes, but I'll pay it today. I usually pay my bills online.
That's convenient.
Yes, I can pay them from my phone.
How do you do it?
First, I open the company's website or app.
Then what?
I log into my account and check the amount.
Do you use a credit card?
Sometimes, I usually use my bank account.
Is it easy?
Yes, it only takes a few minutes.
That's much easier than going to the office.
Exactly.
Some people still like to pay their bills in person.
Yes, my parents usually do that.
Have you ever paid a bill at an office?
Yes, I have.
What do you need to bring?
I usually bring the bill and my ID.
Do you need cash?
You can pay with cash or a card, depending on the office.
I see.
Sometimes there is a short line.
So you have to wait?
Yes, but it usually doesn't take long.
Have you ever received a bill that looked wrong?
Yes, once.
What happened?
My phone bill was much higher than usual.
Did you call the company?
Yes, I called customer service.
What did they say?
They checked my account and found an extra charge.
Oh, really?
Yes, they explained the charge and corrected the bill.
That's good.
I was happy they fixed the problem.
It's important to check your bills carefully.
I agree.
Excuse me, could you tell me when my bill is due?
Sure, let me check your account.
Thank you.
Your payment is due on the 20th.
Can I pay it today?
Yes, of course.
Is there a late fee if I pay after the due date?
Yes, a late fee may be added after the due date.
I see. I'll make sure to pay it on time.
That's a good idea.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Emily, don't forget to pay your internet bill.
Oh, thank you for reminding me.
When is it due?
It's due tomorrow.
You should probably pay it today.
Yes, I will.
Do you have any other bills to pay?
I have my phone bill too.
When is that one due?
Next Monday.
Then you have a little more time.
That's true.
It's good to pay bills before the due date.
I agree. I don't like paying late fees.
Bills can be expensive sometimes.
They can. That's why I try to save money.
How do you save money?
I turn off the lights when I leave a room.
That's a good habit.
I also use less air conditioning.
That can help reduce the electricity bill.
Exactly. I also try to use less water.
Small changes can make a difference.
That's true.
Saving money is important.
I completely agree. Let's review some useful expressions from today's conversation.
Pay the bill.
Use this when you need to make a payment.
When is it due?
Use this to ask about the payment date.
Pay online.
This means making a payment using a website or app.
Late fee.
This is an extra charge for paying after the due date.
Could you check my account?
Use this when you need someone to look at your billing information. These expressions are useful in everyday life. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for talking about and paying bills.
Practice these expressions aloud to improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Question of the day.
Do you usually pay your bills online or in person?
Tell us your answer in the comments below.
Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.